Hello and welcome to my new video. I hope you're all doing well. What you see on this picture is a mold that is fairly known over the community, and you can do so much with them, and I like to use them with leftover resin. What I do first is I mixed up some of my casting compound. You can use any casting compound that you want, like Jesmonite, Aquacast, Porsalino, whatever you want to use. So I colored it in the color that I wanted, and I was pouring those two little trays with that casting compound. This is the second video of this little mini series where I try to use up teeny bitty bits of leftover resin. And the first part is about doing the same thing with resin, not with casting compound, but you have to do that a little bit different. That's why I will put the link up in the right corner for the first video, so you might want to watch it if you want to do it all together in resin. I gave the whole thing a shimmy and a shake to dislodge the air bubbles. After half hour, I took everything out of the molds, but I left them to dry 2 or 3 days longer because I wanted them to be really fully dry. Now I'm taking gloss varnish. You can take any gloss varnish that you want. I will show you the one that I used. And I coated those two trays with the varnish. And when everything was fully dried, I turned them around and coated them on the bottom as well. After everything was really fully dry, I took the leftover resin that I have from some other project, as you can see here, and I'm chucking it all in. I don't have no rhyme or reason doing that. The important thing for me was to use the resin that I had left from that other project and do something else with it. This is really a beginner project because you don't need no abilities to do that. You don't need much of supplies to do that. You just put it in as you wish or you think it fits, and that's the beauty of it. After the resin had cured, about 24 hours later, I poured some clear resin over top of it, and I didn't fill up the whole tray. I just put as much resin on there to cover the whole colored pieces, so I would have an even surface that could be really shiny. At the end of this video, I will show you some pictures of the trays that are made merely out of resin, and so you have the possibility to compare those two techniques. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment. It's always nice hearing from you. I really appreciate that. It doesn't cost you anything, and it helps me a great deal, and I want to thank you for that. again, I had a lot of fun. I hope you did too. And if you really had fun, I hope I see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.